In today's video, I will walk you through how to change the currency in Xero. Start by looking toward the top left corner of your screen where your business name is displayed. Click on your business name to open the available options. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage different parts of your Xero account. Once you're on the Settings page, look for the option labeled Currencies. Click on Currencies to open the section where currency settings are managed. This is where you can view the currencies already available in your account and make changes when needed. Inside the Currency section, find the Add Currency button and click on it. This option allows you to add another currency to your account. After selecting it, you'll be shown a list of available currencies. Browse through the list and choose the currency you want to add. If you need more than one currency, repeat the process by selecting each one you want to include. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct currency before continuing. Once you've made your selection, the new currency will be added to your Xero account. After it's been added, it becomes available for use within your account whenever you need it. If you work with multiple currencies, you can return to this same section at any time to add additional ones. Simply go back to your business name, open Settings, select Currencies, click Add Currency, and choose another currency from the list. It's also a good idea to review the currencies you've added to make sure they match your business requirements. If everything looks correct, your account is now ready to work with those currencies. That's all there is to it. You begin by clicking your business name in the top left corner. Open Settings, select Currencies, click Add Currency, and choose the currency you want to add from the available list. Once your selection is complete, the currency is added to your Xero account and is ready to use. By following these steps, you can quickly update your available currencies whenever your business needs change, making it easy to manage transactions using the currencies you've added. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.